Hi and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Vince. Thanks for stopping by. You're very welcome here indeed. So in my first video that I dedicated to Dave Pascoe, and for those who don't know, Dave Pascoe is at present beating Brian Johnson in the Rejuvenation Olympics, and that's all about biological age. I talked about Dave Pascoe's daily routine. Now, obviously, he brushes his teeth in the morning, but he also says that he scrapes his tongue in the morning too. Now, although I clean my teeth with a toothbrush, I also use the brush to clean my tongue, and I thought there may be something different, slightly different, with cleaning it with a brush and actually scraping it with a proper scraper. So in this video, I'm going to dive into the benefits of tongue scraping. So tongue scraping, a practice with its roots in Ayurvedic medicine, and that just means the science of life, has garnered much attention for its potential health benefits, supported by both traditional wisdom and also some scientific research. Although you can scrape your tongue with a toothbrush, you can also buy a dedicated tongue scraper, which is thought to be more effective and efficient at removing more of the substances that can build up and cause bad breath, also known as halitosis. Firstly, tongue scraping helps remove the bacteria, the food particles, and the dead cells from the tongue's surface. This contributes to a cleaner oral environment. This practice can significantly reduce the microbial load in the mouth, which is crucial for maintaining oral hygiene. A study published in the Journal of Periodontology found that tongue cleaning could effectively decrease the prevalence of the mutans, streptococci, and lactobacilli bacteria, which are associated with tooth decay and also gum disease. Regular tongue scraping can also remove the layers of debris that coat the taste buds, potentially leading to an improved sense of taste. This cleaner surface allows for more direct contact with food, enhancing taste perception. Studies have shown that tongue cleaning can lead to an immediate increase in taste sensitivity, allowing individuals to discern between sweet, salty, bitter, and sour flavours more distinctly. Tongue scraping is effective in combating bad breath because it removes the bacteria and the food debris that contributes to the condition of halitosis. Studies have shown that tongue scraping significantly reduces oral malodor compared to just brushing alone. This addresses both the symptoms and the sources of bad breath. This practice is particularly effective against volatile sulfur compounds, also known as VSCs, which are major contributors to oral malodor. Malodor just means unpleasant or offensive. By reducing the bacterial load on the tongue, scraping can indirectly contribute to better dental health, lowering the risk of plaque buildup, tooth decay, and also gum disease. A cleaner tongue can decrease the overall bacterial load in the mouth, which is beneficial for overall dental health. Now, while direct studies linking tongue scraping to reduced dental disease are limited, the practice is widely recognised as a complementary oral hygiene measure. The mouth is also a gateway for pathogens, so maintaining oral hygiene through practices like tongue scraping can support the body's immune system. By removing bacteria and toxins from the tongue, scraping may reduce the risk of infection and bolster our immune health. Although evidence is sparse, reduction of oral bacteria is generally considered beneficial for the immune system. And tongue scraping may also stimulate saliva production. This is the first step in the digestive process, helping to break down food more efficiently. Tongue scraping is also believed to activate the taste buds, sending signals to the stomach to begin the digestive process, potentially improving our overall digestive efficiency. While specific studies on tongue scraping and digestive health are limited, again, the importance of oral hygiene for digestion is generally supported by the broader medical community. Some holistic health practitioners suggest that removing toxins from the body through oral hygiene practices like tongue scraping can have a positive effect on skin health. The theory posits that reducing the body's toxin load can decrease inflammation and, consequently, the occurrence of skin conditions such as acne. However, direct scientific evidence linking tongue scraping to improve skin health is currently lacking, making the benefits more speculative than those directly related to oral health. So please let me know in the comment section below, what do you think? Do you believe there's enough scientific evidence now to show that tongue scraping is beneficial, or is it mostly just an old wise tale? I don't think I'm about to buy a dedicated tongue scraper. I think I'm just going to go at it with my toothbrush as normal, as part of my normal daily dental routine.